Hello guys, very good morning to all of you, and this lecture is for class 8 and we have the topic of exponent, and in the exponent today we will discuss about how to find value of n. So we will understand it with the help of an example. For example, find the value of n if, here is the question, minus 3 by 7 power 5n minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 7 power is minus 3 equal to minus 3 upon 7 power 5. So, because there is a multiplication sign in between these two rational numbers and powers, we just following the rule first of laws of exponent, because we have the same base and different exponent. So, we write the base here minus 3 by 7, and because there is a multiplication sign, so we just add the powers. So I add the power 5n minus 2 plus minus 3 and equal to minus 3 by 7 power 5. Now minus 3 by 7, and here I open the bracket 5n minus 2 and plus minus minus 3 equal to, on the right hand side it is the same as the above. Now minus 3 by 7, 5n minus 2 minus 3 minus, we add the numbers and assign the negative sign. So minus 5 equal to minus 3 by 7 the power 5, same as the above. On comparing exponent, because base are the same on the both side, left hand side and right hand side. So we compare the exponents. So we can write 5n minus 5 equal to 5 and 5n equal to 5, and this 5 minus 5 goes in the right hand side and assign the positive sign. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Now n equal to 10 and this 5 goes into the division, then 10 upon 5, and 5 ones are 5, 5 to the 10, we got 2 as the answer. So we can get the value of n with the same procedure. Now we will discuss some more questions of this exercise and of this topic. First is evaluate the following. First part is 16,807 power is minus 3 by 5, and how can we write in the exponential form and in the simple exponential form. So we can write 16,807 with the help of 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7 multiply 7, and the power is minus 3 by 5. It means we can write 7. How many times we repeated the 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 7 the power 5, and the power of power here is minus 3 by 5. And because there is a power of power, so we can multiply the powers. 7 the power 5 multiply minus 3 by 5, and here 5 to 5 cancel out, and we can get 7 the power minus 3, and because there is a negative exponent, so we can write it as 1 by 7 the power 3, and 7 the power 3 we can get 1 by 3 4 3. And now the second example, same as 32 upon 243 power is minus 2 by 5. 32 upon 243 power is minus 2 by 5. Because this is a negative exponent, we can make it positive exponent first. So we just reciprocal of that rational number. So we can get 243 upon 32, 2 by 5. Now we can write 243 as 5 times of 3 and 32 as 5 times of 2, and we can get 3 by 2 power 5 multiply 2 by 5, and 5 to the 5 to 5 cancel out, and we can get 3 by 2 power 2, and we can write 3 multiply 3 upon 2 multiply 2, we can get 9 upon 4. And we have another example. By what number should 5 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes minus 7 to the power minus 1? So let the number will be x, and according to question 5 to the power minus 5 हमें किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो वो नंबर हो गया x. 5 to the power minus 1 multiply with x equal to कितना हो जाए, minus 7 to the power minus 1. So x equal to minus 7 to the power minus 1 divide by, because there is a, because 5 here in the multiplication sign. So if we write it in the right hand side, it goes in the division. So divide by 5 to the power minus 1, and we can get 1 upon minus 7 divided by 1 upon 5, and here we can get 1 upon minus 7 multiply with 5, and we can get 5 upon minus 7. Same as the next example. Question number 2. By what number should 2 by 3 minus 1 will be multiplied so that the product is minus 3 by 4 to the power minus 1? Same again, let the number will be x. So we can multiply 2 by 3 power minus 1 multiply with x. We can get minus 3 by 4 minus 1. And 3 by 2, because there is a negative exponent, we can make it positive. So let's just reciprocal it. 3 by 2 multiply with x equal to 4 by minus 3. Here also we have negative exponent. X equal to 4 upon minus 3, and here it can write be 2 by 3. 4 2 is 8 and 3 is 9. 8 by minus 9. And now your homework time. Question number first is find the n. If 2 upon 11 the power 4n multiply 2 upon 11 power 2n minus 2 equal to 11 by 2 power minus 6. Remember, here is the power in the negative, so we have to make it first positive exponent. And question number 2, evaluate the following. 81 upon 625 the power minus 3 by 4. So you have to do this question. Thank you.